Hey guys, Gizmodic here, and this is the Redmi 6. So I actually haven't made any unboxing videos on my channel since a while, and since the Redmi 6 hasn't gotten that much of an attention with respect to the Redmi 6A or the Redmi 6 Pro, I thought let's make an unscripted unboxing video of this phone. So if you guys like some of these videos, then please let me know. I'll post more unboxings in the future. Anyways, coming back to the Redmi 6, this phone is actually Xiaomi's best offering under 10,000 rupees. It's quite an interesting phone because Xiaomi just announced the Redmi 5 like 6 months ago and we already have the Redmi 6. Plus we have some really good phones in this price segment like the Realme 1 and now the Realme 2. So I'm curious to see what the Redmi 6 will do in this price bracket. Anyways, in this video we are going to unbox and take a quick look at this phone, so let's not waste any more time and get started. So the variant that I got for my Redmi 6 is the 332GB variant, as you can see on the back, and it's in the gold shade. It's available for 7,999 and right now for HDFC cards there's also 500 rupees discount. So yeah, if you have an HDFC card you can effectively buy this phone for 7,500 rupees. Anyways, coming to the box of this phone, as you can see, on the front you have the photo of the Redmi 6 itself along with the Mi branding as well as the label that says Xiaomi is India's #1 smartphone brand. That's good for them. On the sides you have Redmi 6 branding and on the back you have some specifications written about the phone. So 12 plus 5 megapixel dual camera on the back, Helio P22 octa-core CPU, 5.45 inch HD plus display, and you also have a fingerprint sensor on this phone. As you can see, it's the 332GB variant, gold color, and it's a dual SIM phone, and I think it also supports dual VoLTE as well. And you also have the Make in India label here, so yeah, this phone is made in India. Proud of that. Anyways, let's unbox the phone now and see what we get inside. So first let me cut through the box. Let's keep this to the side. Okay, so inside the box, the first thing that we have is the Redmi 6 itself. As you can see, the phone is in the gold color and it looks pretty nice. You've got the dual camera set up on the back and here on the front there's the 18:9 display. I'm going to keep this to the side for now because we'll come back to it later on. Further inside the box, it's the typical Xiaomi thing. You've got the quick start guide, which you should definitely read. Then there is a list of service centers, I think, and it's also the warranty information for the phone. Then apart from that, you have the micro USB to USB cable for charging and data syncing. I don't know why Xiaomi isn't moving to USB Type-C, maybe in 2019, we don't know. You also got the SIM ejector tool here, and finally you've got the power brick, and I think this should be the 2 ampere one, I'm not sure. Nope, it's the 1 ampere power brick, so we'll have to see how much time does this take to charge the phone. Anyways, let's just keep all of this to the side and come back to the phone itself. So here's the Redmi 6 and now I'm going to do the first boot of this phone and I'll set it up as well. So while I'm setting the phone up, let me give you a quick rundown of the specifications of the Redmi 6. So on the inside you've got the Helio P22 chipset from MediaTek. So yeah, this time Xiaomi has gone with a MediaTek chipset and not a Qualcomm one for the Redmi series. You've also got 3 gigs of RAM on this variant and there's also 3000 mAh of battery on this phone. Like I said before, there's a 5.45 inch HD display, so it's an 18:9 configuration here and it's a 720p display. And there's a micro USB port on the bottom. On the sides you've got the power and the volume rockers. The phone has a metal body and on the back there's the dual camera setup as well. You've also got a fingerprint sensor and I think the phone is currently running on MIUI 9 that's based on Android Oreo. On the front you've got a 5 megapixel camera which I think also supports portrait mode, but the thing is the Realme 2 gets an 8 megapixel camera as well as a 4230 mAh of battery. But the Realme 2 gets a Snapdragon 450 inside, so it's going to be an interesting comparison between these two phones. Anyways, I have the Realme 2 on order, so I should get it very soon as well, and a lot of videos about both of these phones are going to come to the channel very soon. So here I have the Redmi 5 all set up and as you can see it runs on MIUI. Let's go to the settings and we already have an update, so I'm going to do that later on. And as you can see, it's currently running on Android 8.1 Oreo. The security patches of June, I think the update will change it to July or August, hopefully. And the MIUI version is 9.6. So yeah, MIUI 10 hasn't come to this phone yet, but it should be coming really soon. Apart from that, the phone feels quite nice. I can already see a black border on this white variant as it's evident on a lot of other Xiaomi phones. but it seems to be a lot more evident on the Redmi 6, and once you see it you can't really unnotice the black border. Also, I don't think there's a 2.5D glass on this phone as well. Let's just jump into the camera, and as you can see it gets a portrait mode on the back camera, and I think there's also a portrait mode on the front camera as well. Yeah, you do have a portrait mode on the front facing camera, and I'm gonna make a lot of camera comparisons video in the near future. One of the things that I'm really interested in is how this phone performs when it comes to PUBG. So if you guys would like to see a dedicated gameplay video or a PUBG video for the Redmi 6, then do let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure that I'll compare this phone as well as the Realme 2 with respect to PUBG gameplay. And lastly, this phone also gets 2 SIM slots as well as a separate SD card slot. So that was an issue on the Redmi 5 because you could only use 2 SIM cards or 1 memory card and 1 SIM card due to the hybrid SIM slot. But now you can use 2 SIM cards, and both of these slots support VoLTE. So yeah, dual VoLTE is there on the Redmi 6. The Redmi 6 seems to be an impressive device for a price of 7,500 rupees, but then the competition is really stiff because you've got the Realme 2, and then Xiaomi also has their own phones like the Redmi Y2, the Redmi Note 5 as well in the similar price bracket. So we'll have to see how the Redmi 6 stacks up against all of those phones. And like I said, I'll be making a lot of videos about this phone very soon. So if you guys have any special requests, then please let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure that I'll make those videos. And if you guys have more questions about this phone or any other phone, then definitely let me know on my Facebook, Twitter or Instagram pages. You can follow at Gizmodict on those pages. Anyways, that's all with my unboxing of the Redmi 6. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys would like to see more such unscripted unboxing videos, then definitely let me know in the comments. If you're new here, then do hit the red subscribe button as well, and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my new videos. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back in the notifications very soon. Bye.